Welcome to our advanced battery manufacturing facility. I'm your guide today, and I'm thrilled to show you that FactoryLab are created. Welcome to our advanced battery manufacturing facility. I'm your guide today, and I'm thrilled to show you that FactoryLab are created. This facility manufactures nearly 3,000 complete laptop batteries every single day. Our journey begins at the receiving dock, where raw materials arrive from international mining lots. These contain of battery chemistry. Every material shipment is tested in our laboratory. Using advanced spectroscopy, we verify exact composition, ensuring only perfect materials proceed. Our verified materials now enter the secure climate vault, where temperature and humidity remain absolutely constant. Our materials now journey through an automated transport system using GPS tracking and RFID SID technology. Now we enter pre-production staging, where our materials are transferred from long-term storage into active production vessels. Accuracy is everything in battery chemistry. We measure lithium carbonate to within 0.1 grams on batches of... We never measure once, we measure multiple times. This cross-checking system makes human error virtually impossible. Every batch is identified. Only when all measurements align perfectly does it move forward. With all ingredients measured and verified, we consolidate into our mixing vessel. Each component and our consolidated batch is now sealed and assigned batch number LB 2024-31846. Welcome to our mixing chamber, one of the most sophisticated at the batch. It's just now read the door at us. The mixing begins gently.
As the bladder is faster, so lithium powder spends while consuming.
5 pairs of expert eyes monitor our batch. Each technician specializes in one domain, but they're not alone. Temperature management is an art in battery chemistry. Our jacket has 47 channels, creating an optimized thermal gradient. Spectroscopy reveals exact composition. We monitor lithium, cobalt, nickel, and manganese. If any element clusters, we know instantly. Viscosity tells us how chemistry is progressing. Our target is specific thickness, not too thin, not too thick, indicating perfect molecular integration. Our batch is exactly where it should be. Lithium and cobalt have achieved approximately 8 green lakes. We've reached final acceleration phase. The blank precise caliber fissure shuri ever Mixing is complete. Our electrolyte has achieved 97.8% homogeneity. Now at rest. Welcome to battery cell assembly, where chemistry becomes electronics. Our electrolyte now perfectly. The anode requires nanocoating for optimal performance. We apply just 2 nanometer carbide. We heat metal oxide powder to 800 degrees Celsius. As it cools, the crystal structure locks in place. The separator membrane is elegant engineering. It prevents contact while allowing ions to pass via billions of precisely engineered pores. The cell casing must precisely contain chemical reactions. Progressive stamping transforms flat metal into the interior coating of cell casing martin. First, it electrically insulates metal by reality of our contents. This is where all our preparation merges. Chemistry and engineering unifying to create functioning batteries. Formation cycling is where battery cells come alive. We're not using these cells conventionally, we're preparing them, activating them, teaching them how to be batteries. Individual cells are powerful, but single cell cannot provide voltage and capacity laptop requires. We assemble cell. The battery module is inserted into the protective housing, which is then ultrasonically welded to create a perfect seal. The power connector is the physical interface between battery and laptop, engineered to perfection with near zero resistance and foolproof polarization. Every single battery pack must pass comprehensive electrical testing, verifying voltage, capacity, and internal resistance. Each battery pack receives unique identity through laser etching. This provides traceability, authentication, and critical safety information. The battery pack is now protected through multiple packaging layers. The packaged battery receives shipping identity. Labels and barcodes identify product type, capacity, safety classifications, and destination. Packaged batteries are palletized 200 units, 10,000 watt-hours. Robotics ensure stability, wrap protects, and every 10th pallet is stopped and subjected to comprehensive testing. We visually inspect for integrity and test the connector, confirming perfect contact. Our completed batteries are now prepared for worldwide distribution. This truck, destined for Memphis, carries 4,000 batteries. Throughout our entire manufacturing journey, quality is woven into every step. From raw materials to pallet sampling, we verify excellence. Our batteries arrived at the Memphis Regional Distribution Center. The consolidation model reverses as we sort and route these 4,000 batteries. The lithium compound undergoes elemental analysis with damage to the scope. The results confirm our lithium is 99.8% pure. The cobalt sulfate solution undergoes concentration analysis using automated titration. We extract minuscule. The nickel sulfate powder undergoes scanning electron microscopy, revealing crystal structure and particle morphology. The manganese oxide powder undergoes BET surface area analysis. Nitrogen gas adsorbs onto the powder's surface. All materials have passed rigorous testing and are now staged and documented. Each material vessel in best code. Final measurement confirmation shows all materials achieving exact targets. Green check marks indicate all measurements approved for consolidation. Before our batch enters, the equipment undergoes precision calibration. Our mixing blade must be perfectly balanced. The mixing blade speed isn't constant. It's dynamically optimized throughout the mixing process. Our control system monitor. Our control room displays provide complete real-time visibility into mixing process. We monitor temperature distribution. The pH readings 2.3 milliliters of buffer. pH stabilizes and ensure absolute perfection. As mixing approaches completion, all parameters are converging perfectly on their targets. The prediction model indicates complete. The blade accelerates to maximum speed, creating powerful shear forces. The mixture becomes a wolf. Our perfectly mixed electrolyte now enters the settling chamber, a place of absolute stillness where chemistry continues its refinement work uninterrupted. The anode coating process is nano-engineering precision. Graphite substrate enters the chamber where silicon carbide is built, atom by atom. The coated anode undergoes multiple verification techniques confirming coating perfection. X-ray photoelectron. The cathode material undergoes precise thermal profile to optimize crystal structure. The temperature rises at controlled rate. The cathode crystal structure is verified using X-ray diffraction. The gold standard diffraction pattern is absolute proof of crystal perfection. The separator membrane preparation uses phase inversion technique, creating precise pore architecture. The separator membrane's pore structure is verified using scanning electron microscopy, revealing the intricate network creating pathways for lithium ions. Each metal casing undergoes automated dimensional verification. A computer-controlled probe measures critical dimensions. Interior coating thickness is verified using eddy current measurement, a non-destructive technique. Results show a coating thickness. Before assembly, our electrode materials undergo final preparation. Anode sheets are piston-nose drills to. During formation cycling, lithium ions intercalate into the graphite anode, forming an SEI layer. Monitor shows an initial 30 millivolt imbalance on higher voltage cells, allowing the conditional balance within minutes. The connector's contact resistance is measured with 4-point micrometer. Each contact point is individually resistance below 0.5. The battery pack undergoes discharge performance testing at constant 5 ampere current, revealing battery performance characteristics. Random packaging quality inspection verifies physical protection. The inspection checklist shows all 20 packages perfect, 100% packaging pass rate. Our software optimizes shipping for efficiency and sustainability, consolidating 8,100 batteries with minimal emissions and on-time delivery. The battery arrives at the consumer's home in perfect condition. The consumer examines the quality, reads the laser-etched markings. At our facility, a battery's circular journey continues. Mechanical disassembly separates components. Cells. Our laptop battery manufacturing represents comprehensive excellence across all dimensions. Manufacturing facility.
What you've witnessed today is more than a manufacturing process. It's a commitment to excellence for people and planet that depend on our products.
Thank you for watching. Visit batterycenter.com for our learning center, technical deep dives, and webinars. From the moment I started working here 5 years ago, I was impressed by commitment to quality and responsibility. Batteries manufactured 2,847. Quality pass rate 97.08%.